Icy beads are made of polymer clay and have a disc-like shape. Here I have some yellow gold-plated wine charms. The post is 90-degree angle. These icy beads are size 6 millimeters. 4 millimeter is another common size. Any bead over 3 millimeters probably will not go down the angle of the ear wire. This is a pip bead. They're very versatile. This is a copper wine charm. I'm going to bend it straight with my chain nose pliers. And I'm going to put on some beads, have a play, see what looks nice. These are iridescent copper pip beads. Pip beads come in so many colors and finishes. I quite like how the rose gold daisy spacer complements the copper tones and periwinkle. I'm going to bend the post back into a 90-degree angle with my chain nose pliers. Here's a Pinterest board I've made. I hope you find some ideas and inspiration. The wine chimes used in this video are 25 millimeters, but I think I actually prefer the larger hoops. I love these silver faceted beads, but because I don't have silver wine charms, I'm going to use gold beads. These are gold fire polished beads. They're a matte gold color. I will try to put the actual color down in the description. I have some matte gold plated heart beads and some shiny gold plated teardrop beads. I'm going to use the heart beads. I'm going to slip some random beads on and just try to create a pattern and see what looks good. Wine charms are usually made from memory wire. Sometimes they're made with normal wire. Memory wire keeps its shape, and so it's not very easy to bend, but at least it's strong. Whereas if you have wine charms made of normal wire, the wire may be a bit thin, and when you bend the angle, it may chip off. So you need to be careful whilst purchasing your wine charms and test before you start your project or have a plan with your beads. I hope you found this video useful and you've enjoyed it. If so, please like, and down below, any comments, questions, or suggestions.